So if we'll go back to the state table, so in the state table we have put a don't care conditions here. So don't care conditions indicates that for the next state for 2 it can be 0 or 1. Okay, so it is not decided. So for this circuit combinations, what equations we got here, for these combinations, let us see how the unconditional circuit behaves. For TC is equal to QB, QB is equal to QC plus QA, and TA is equal to this combination. Let us try to find out how the state 2, 5 and 7 behaves. Okay, for this purpose we will be requiring once again present states, their flip-flop inputs, and finally their next states. So flip-flop inputs are shown here for the respective counter. And what are the present states and these things? Let us find it out. Present states are QC, QB, QA. Input to flip-flops are going to be TC, TB, TA. Okay. And next states are Q of C plus 1, Q of B plus 1 and Q of A plus 1. Okay. Now for unused states, the present states are here in nothing but this is the analysis. So I'll write an analysis part, analysis of unused states. So these present states are unused here in this case. So unused states are 0 1 0, 1 0 1 and 1 1 1. That is number state number 2, 5 and 7. So for state number 2, if the present state is 2, then the input TC, so let me mention here, TC is equal to here, TC is equal to QB, TB is equal to QA plus QC and TA is equal to QC bar multiplied with QA bar or with QB. So with the help of these three equations, we need to find out the inputs. So now let us say that the counter is in state 2. So due to TC is equal to QB, the value will be 1 copied here. So this value is 1. TB is equal to OR operation between QA and QC. So QA, QC 0 0. So this will be 0. And TA is equal to QC bar into QA bar plus QB. So QA bar plus QB is 1 into QC bar 1, so finally TA will be 1. Now depending on these conditions, TC, TB, TA, these are the toggle flip-flops. So TC means C flip-flop which is in toggle mode, so it will toggle the C bit. So whatever the present state QC 0, that will be toggled and the next state will be 1. Why? Because 0 0 toggle to 1. If now see, let us see the TB part. The flip-flop B having input TB which is 0, the next state will be copy of the present state as it is. So it will repeat the present state which is 1. So QB plus 1 is equal to 1. And finally TA bit is 1. Flip-flop A having input 1. So it will be complementing or toggling the previous state. The previous state is 0 which will be toggled to 1. So it says that whatever the stage 2 is there which is going to the 7th state, and we all know that 2 is going to 7, 7 is also unused state, means we are up to the mark that the counter is in lockout condition. Okay, but still the two of the states are remaining. So let us find it out what is happening out there.